Buenas mi gente colorida de Sama Crosta, estamos de vuelta with another video con otro video. We're gonna do unboxing to Poppy from junior high, not for rainbow high, not for shadow high, from junior high. Vamos a estar abriendo Poppy de junior high, no de rainbow high ni de shadow high. So we have Poppy here. She's super beautiful. I'm gonna show you the clothes. This one I'm gonna do unboxing. I'm gonna throw the box. Now I have one light here. She's beautiful. I have her in the winter break and I think just winter break. Creo que la tengo solamente en winter break en esa edición que tiraron. So, but this is junior high. You can see here the box. It looks like they're doing Sharpie here. Parece que lo hicieron con marcador. I already do unboxing for Violet Willow in Facebook a long time from junior high, but I have the other ones in the box. So yeah, yo le hice unboxing a Violet Willow a bastante tiempo atrás en Facebook, but today we're gonna do it Poppy here in YouTube. So I'm gonna take out her from the box and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. We come back. Déjenme acomodarme aquí para que puedan ver a Poppy. Tengo a mis Powerpuff ahí tirados. Ya la tenemos fuera de la caja. Voy a estar acomodando esto por aquí, que fue con lo que estuve abriendo la caja. It's really easy for take her out the box. Es súper fácil para sacarla de la caja. So the only thing for this line is they don't bring the stands. Ellos no vienen con el stand. La línea junior no viene con el stand. I like the stand, but well, they just bring the hairbrush. Ellos solamente tienen el peine. This one just say rainbow here. Don't see my nails. No vean mis uñas, solo dice rainbow ahí. She bring a backpack. Ella trae un bulto. So it's like this. I'm gonna show close. You can see the rainbow on it here. La palabra rainbow aquí. A butterfly. And it's like a monogram. Es monogram. La palabra rainbow aquí, la mariposa. Y es monogram. No sé cómo se dice eso en español. Yo creo que se dice igual. Is half rainbow in all the backpack. And in the back, half rainbow too. En la parte de atrás también tiene la palabra rainbow. I think it's usable. Yeah. He have a velcro. Tiene un velcro, es usable. So you can take out all the paper. And maybe you can put your laptop, your cell phone, and the pencils and all the things. Puedes poner tu computadora, tu teléfono y pues the notebooks, la libreta. Yeah. So this is the backpack. Have a pocket on the front. Tiene un bolsillo al frente. Let's go see. It's usable too. Es usable también. You can open it. This is beautiful. That's cute. Es bien bonito. La cámara no quiere enfocarlo ahora. Ahorita lo enfoco. Ahí está. Ahora sí. Se me está perdiendo el pelo en donde la peluca, en donde no debe. She's Poppy. Look that face. Miren esa cara. Miren unas pequitas, no sé cómo se dicen pecas en inglés, pero she's beautiful and cute. She don't have earrings, no tiene aretes. Look the balls, los moños. The brains, creo que así se llaman, las trenzas. Look, the lipstick is too light because she's in junior high. The top. I'm gonna show the nails. La camisa. It's not a crop top. Or it's a crop top. It's a crop top but have like a clear here in the front. Right here to here. gonna show the nail polish. It's orange, I think. Focus. No quiere enfocar. Ahí está. Right there. She have a short with a pocket, and is real pockets, I think. Yeah, son bolsillos reales. You can put your cell phone, I don't know, your journal, I'm not sure. Puedes poner una libretita pequeña de sticky notes, el teléfono. And she have, this is, I think it's combat boots. Boys look like a rain boot in the same time. I think it's raining boots. Esto parece botas de lluvia, pero no estoy segura. Pueden ser combat boots too. Like this. Have a flowers on it. Look at that. Miren, esto tiene flores al frente. That's beautiful. This is flat, but I think she have a pointy feet. Let's go take out one. Yeah. ¿Lo ven? She have a socks over the knee. Tiene las medias bajo la rodilla. She have the articulations for the sides, the front, back, 360. Tiene las articulaciones para frente, para atrás, para los lados, y 360. Tiene la articulación de los brazos, arm articulations, and the one like that. They don't come with second outfit. Ellos no vienen con segundo outfit, so but that's okay. Pero eso está bien. Have a little product here, but we can take out with a little water, just because it's just in the end. Solamente tiene un poco de producto en las puntas, pero eso lo podemos quitar con un poco de agua. Yeah, let's go to put her the backpack. I think it's a little hard. Creo que va a ser un poco difícil ponerle la mochila. Oh no, that's cute. She's cute. So she's Poppy for junior high. Ella es Poppy de junior high. She's beautiful. So this is the unboxing for today. Remember, she don't bring the stand. Acuérdense que no trae el stand. She brings just the backpack and one outfit. Solamente trae una muda de ropa, la mochila, and one pair of shoes. That's it. So yeah, this is my unboxing for today. Este es mi unboxing para hoy. Espero que les haya gustado. Please support me. My social media is gonna show here like a magic. Voy a mostrar mis redes sociales aquí. Por favor, apóyenme. And give me one like. Just one. It's free. Es gratis, gente. Y a mí me ayuda mucho. It helps me a lot. And yeah. Thank you for following me. Gracias por seguirme. Ayúdenme a llegar al infinito y más allá. Seguimos en Summer Color Style. So we continue in Summer Color Style. Gonna see you guys in the next video soon in Summer Color Style. Voy a verlos pronto en mi próximo video en Summer Color Style. So yeah, have a wonderful day and I love you guys so much. Bye bye.